in our localities.
I won't be surprised if I live here and I hear that they have taken you to court or they have gone to see the council. You know, we have two governments now, the River State government and the Abuja government. But whatever it is, for what it's worth, we must take the decisions to show that we are the one in charge. So let me first congratulate the new chairman. Chairman, you need to come up to sit at the high table now. Come and sit here. A request from our new chairman that please, as you live here, there's every need for you to call for meeting immediately and commence the process of uniting the council. I am not bothered or interested in your political affiliation, but when it comes to the issue of the council that brings you together, your decision should and must flow on the direction of government. If you're doing anything outside, that is your own. But you cannot, I repeat, that when it comes to the issue of the council, that government has given you recognition, you go against the government. It's very wrong. You can be in whatever it is, but when it comes to our own interests, you must work with our interests. I remember when we went to Ohna East, the Apara section to do an activity. A former governor openly threatened one of us, you're here, I don't want to mention it, and warned that if you try it, I will do this, I will do that. But I'm not going to warn you because you are our father, you are my father. I will appeal to you to please give us all the necessary support and cooperation so that we can have a United States that every one of us will be proud of. I know there are some things that the other administration did not do, more especially your vehicles and other few things. I need to. Wait now, let me finish. I'm not finished and you're clapping already. Your allowances will be paid before the end of today. Then the vehicles, I will commence the process of procuring vehicles for every recognized traditional ruler in our dear state. The chairman, one of your first tasks is to give us an updated record. You know, the first class, the second class, and the third class. Those of you that are chairmen, you know your own is special. You know how to. I need that record at least between now and Tuesday next week so that we can come. Finally, let me also, like I always say, appeal to every one of us. Today, it is an opportunity that God has provided for Eze Worlu. Tomorrow, it can be any other person. You need to give him the respect. You need to give him the support to succeed. So that when it comes to your own turn, that same measure will be given to you. Thank you. I'll take a few comments or questions, then we'll close. Thank you.